Yes, you definitely can have a bedtime snack, and you should if you're hungry. Just like there are misconceptions about nighttime snacking, there are equally as many misconceptions about metabolism and whether you can actually boost it. Today we're gonna dive into the internet's most asked questions about metabolism and break down some snacks that just might help you speed it up.
What is metabolism?
Scientifically, metabolism refers to all the reactions that happen in your body throughout the day, including breathing and your muscle functions and even pumping blood. All of these functions require energy, aka calories. So our metabolism is basically the sum of all of the energy and calories we burn throughout the day, and it's made up of three main parts. The first and largest part by a long shot is our resting metabolic rate, also known as our RMR. It makes up for about 60 to 75% of our daily energy needs. And that's basically just all the functions that happen when you're sitting around and doing nothing. Then there's the thermic effect of food. So this is all the energy that's required to break down the food we eat into usable nutrients, and it makes up about 10% of our daily energy needs. And last but not least is the thermic effect of physical activity. This is about 15 to 30% of our energy expenditure daily. And that includes everything from waking up and walking around to any workouts that you might do, and even little things like fidgeting or tapping your feet that can add up.
Can you boost your metabolism?
In short, no, you cannot boost your metabolism, and there's no magic way to drastically increase it. It's just simply not something we have that much control over. That said, research has shown that building muscle mass and lifting weights can increase your RMR by about 7%, which is around 100 calories a day. And this is because muscle burns about 3 times as much energy as fat, even at rest. So even though 100 calories a day doesn't really sound like much, it can add up over time.
Are there foods that burn calories while you sleep?
We've all heard of a million foods and supplements that are supposedly going to skyrocket our metabolism, but to be frank, there's not substantial research to support these foods as being metabolism boosting on their own. What you should focus on instead is an overall healthy eating pattern, including your late night snacks. While a late night snack might not be a magic bullet, it probably won't hurt your health goals. Plus, feeling full and satisfied before you go to bed might help you sleep better and feel more rested for the next day. Here at EatingWell, we love our snacks, and no one should go to bed hungry. So I broke out a few scenarios that might be good opportunities for some nighttime snacking.
What are the best bedtime snacks for a healthy metabolism?
The best bedtime snack for when you're craving a mini meal is a piece of whole grain toast with a few tablespoons of hummus. Sometimes when you're super hungry, a few carrot sticks and some dried fruit is just not gonna do it. Plus, whole wheat flour is a great source of magnesium, which is a nutrient that helps with better sleep. The best bedtime snack for strong muscles is cottage cheese and some fruit like tart cherries. Cottage cheese is packed with protein, and fruits like tart cherries can help reduce inflammation. Not to mention, cherries are a natural source of melatonin. The best bedtime snack for better sleep is a banana and a few tablespoons of nut butter. This is a great mix of fast and slow digesting carbs, plus the nuts add some healthy fat that'll help satiate your brain. And bananas are a great source of magnesium too. The best bedtime snack for when you're craving something sweet and salty is some pomegranate juice and a handful of almonds. Sweet antioxidant-rich juice and salty almonds together, what is not to love? And you can even simmer the pomegranate juice with some spices for almost like a mulled cider kind of a feel. The best bedtime Netflix snack is a handful of crunchy roasted chickpeas. They'll satisfy a craving for popcorn or chips, but with a punch of protein, fiber, and healthy fat. Plus, you can customize them to any flavors that you like by adding spices and herbs. There are some people that can't eat when they wake up in the morning, and I am not one of those people. I wake up ravenous, so the best bedtime snack to prevent overwhelming breakfast hunger is some Greek yogurt and berries like blueberries. Getting plenty of protein throughout the day and at night can help reduce hunger in the morning. Plus, Greek yogurt is high in calcium, which helps your body make melatonin. The best bedtime snack to fight muscle cramps is a bowl of whole grain cereal and milk or non-dairy milk fortified with calcium. Nutrients like potassium and calcium are important for nerve function and muscle function, so they can help fight off unwanted cramps at night. The best snack for you is one that you'll actually enjoy and that meets your body's needs. None is going to magically boost your metabolism, but it likely won't hurt your health goals either. So enjoy your nighttime snack guilt-free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.